So, good morning. So, ito yung ating bagong latest sa GCash app. Okay? So, paano tayo makaka-avail ng Visa card sa GCash? Okay? Ito yung step by step. Panoorin mo hanggang dulo. Okay? So, ito. So, ito yung ating menu. Ayan. So, meron siyang send, load, transfer, bills, borrow, GSave, Ginsort, iba pa. So, dyan sa baba, nasa tabi ng GForest, so, i-click mo lang yung view all. Pag-click mo yung view all, so, ito yung next step. So, scroll down nyo lang. So, piliin nyo dyan yung manage. So, dyan sa manage, andyan yung profile, transactions, pera outlet, at cards. So, pipiliin nyo dyan is yung cards. Okay? So, dyan kayo mag-a-apply mamaya. Okay? So, after click cards, so, ito yung next step. So, piliin nyo dyan is order a card. Okay? Sa card na yan, i-deliver dyan sa pinakamalapit na nearest partner. So, okay? So, click nyo yung order a card. Then, next card, itong papakita. So, send me a card. So, fill out a form and will deliver to your doorstep. So door to door, i-deliver yung inyong Visa card. Okay? Click nyo yan, send me a card. Okay? After nyan, so, ito yung card information. So, may bayad siya na 250 pesos pag nag-apply kayo ng Visa card. Okay? Next. So, yung delivery address, ilagay nyo dyan yung inyong address, kung saan probinsya kayo, saang municipality, barangay, zip code, and then yung house address. Okay? Then, after review, confirm, click nyo yung confirm. Then, yung deliver nyo is, so, nakadepende sa area nyo. Okay? Your order is successful. Okay? Your card will be delivered soon. So, please see the next expected delivery times. So, kung nasa part ka ng NCR sa Manila, so, wait mo yung inyong card 4 to 6 business days. Diyan sa Luzon, 6 to 8 business days. At this sa Visayas, Mindanao, so 8 to 10 business days. Okay? So, ang GCash now is more than 81 million na subscribers. Updated last May 2023. So, matagal na pala to. So, ngayon ko lang napansin tong GCash. Okay? Yan. So, kung meron kang katanungan, so, dyan sa comments below, mag-ask ka lang anong gusto pong malaman sa GCash. Okay? So, may nagtatanong, meron paano daw bumili ng Bitcoin o other cryptocurrency like BNB. Dyan sa Gcrypto, so, meron akong YouTube dyan, paano bumili ng crypto sa BNB. Okay? Dyan sa YouTube channel ko. So, search mo lang. So, JD The Helper TV. So, subscribe ka na now para lagi kang ma-updated sa next video. Okay? Okay? Click mo yung notification bell and then piliin mo yung select all para ma-update ka sa next video ko. Okay? So, I hope meron ka natutunan sa araw na ito. So, itong video, i-share mo sa inyong kaibigan para mapanood nila. Okay? So, share nyo yung blessings. Okay? So, this Coach John, the helper. So, thank you for watching. God bless day. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Bye-bye.